Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can set up a free Canva account. For that, we will visit on Google. So right now we are on Google. So here we are going to search Canva, Canva. Okay. So you will get this page like free design tool, presentation, video, social media, Canva, graphic design company. First of all, you have to click here and you will get this dashboard. So here you will learn what will you design today. Canva makes it easy to create professional designs and to share or print them. So sign up for free. Okay. So you just go ahead and trusted by well-known companies, ready-made designs, built for teamwork. So these are the features you will get in Canva, but here we are going to set up our free account. To set up free account, we will go to sign up. So if you have user ID or you have already signed up, then you just go to login button, or if you are a new people, then just go to sign up button. And here login or sign up in seconds. Use your email or another server service to continue with Canva. It's free. You can use continue with Google. If you have Gmail account, continue with Facebook, or continue with email. Continue another way. So I can go with my Gmail account. Continue with Google. So here you have to put your username or like email ID. Okay, so I'm not going to show you my password. So just go ahead and create your account like this and meet you inside. So once you sign up, you will reach this dashboard of Canva. Okay, so you don't have to do anything. You just go ahead, scroll everywhere, see the designs, see the options, see the tools, what you can do with this platform. First of all, get familiar with this design tool. So inside this logo, you will get setting option, profile option, and even you can change profile picture of this Canva platform. So just scroll it, just get familiar with this tool, and in the upcoming video or in the upcoming lesson I will go through one by one and you will get to know all the features of this Canva platform or tool. Thank you so much. Meet you in the next lesson. For now, bye bye.